What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video here at After Customs. So yeah, guys, it's been a while since I made a video, and I feel that I've been neglecting on content. Even so, I have had so much to do within this past few weeks. But yeah, um, since the last video, since the last video, I have started a little detailing business. From my house, and yeah, it's picking up slowly, and the 160 GXI has been with me for a couple of weeks now. I have been doing some changes on the car, and aesthetically try to improve it and whatever. But now in the books, or on the books, there's now engine swap that's going to come soon. So yeah, you guys need to stay tuned. I'm also looking for a swap for the wheels that I have on the car. I'm looking for a set of ABS specifically, or if not, then I will settle for a set of Dutch wheels. That is, of course, swap with a cash difference. But yeah, guys, furthermore, I'll just add some of the clips in this video of what has been going on since I've been off the of YouTube for this time now. And yeah, guys, it is Christmas today. I am doing this video today. So yeah, I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and that you are safe and sober on the roads. I hope you guys enjoy your new year. Please be careful out there. It's very dangerous out there. And yeah, I hope to, bring new flavor to the channel in 2024. We will be having a couple of builds going, and what you guys don't really know is I've got two cars, or let's say with this one is three. I've got three cars of content worth that I'm going to shoot for you guys while I'm building these cars. Number one, I'll show you. There's one standing there. It's just gathering dust. And yes, these are Audi. And in this one there, yes, so these are Conquest stairs. So yeah, I hope you guys like my content, and I hope that we're gonna share lots of memories together for 2024. And yeah, with that being said, let's go on with the show. This is the rhythm of the. Just so you guys know, the intro of me working on the score is quite long, but if you do want to see some detailing content, you may skip to 11 minutes and 20 seconds. That's where I will be doing the detailing on a couple of cars. But yeah, guys, so far this is the work that I've been doing on the 160i. I hope you guys love the content. Yeah, guys, hit me up if anybody has a set of ABS or set of Dodge wheels to swap with a cash difference from our side. But yeah, guys, enjoy the content. yeah, guys, there you have it. That would be the daily setting for the 160 GXI. I hope you guys like it. For me, it's quite appealing to the eye. As you can see here, yeah, I couldn't stop staring at it, and it got my stamp of approval. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. So on to the next job would most probably be the spotlights.
Do you feel it? Feel it? Do you feel it in the air? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? I can feel it in the
Something in the air just above me. Something like a dream state. You call it a clean break. Do you feel the vibes, baby? Do you feel the vibes?
Okay guys, so in this part of the video I will be detailing two very beautiful cars that were unfortunately very dirty, and here I'm using the InstaShine mag cleaner. I must say this stuff works like a bomb on white wheels, so I suggest you guys hit up Lokman at InstaShine and cop your set or your batch of cleaning liquids, as well as your tire gels coming in black or white, preferably the black one for me. But yeah, guys, let's see how they turn out.
Do you feel the buzz, or is it just me? Trust me, something in the air, it's just above me. Something like a dream state, I can't even see straight. Do you feel the buzz, babe? Do you feel the buzz?
Here's a little fun fact for you guys. This green test right here is or was dubbed the lowest score of Killarney Motor Show 2023. This is Kendall with his beautiful Tony Ralph tears on bags. This car used to be on bags, but it was made single beams. This car is also currently on bags. That was the winner of the Big Boy Customs bag draw. That's the 160i, some lovely Enkais on the tears, and yeah, back to detailing the tears. What man? Just that's a happy me bro. Huh? That's so. No? Alle bells and whistles was getiga.
Love you now. Love you I know how to love you. I know how to love you
Like, nah, je zet alles op. Zet alles op. Nummerplaat, alles. Otherwise, zit je. Huh?
Yeah, man.
Come fetch me with a courier guy. No.
So yeah guys, welcome to the end of this episode. I hope you guys love the content. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and enjoy your new year.